analysenadom.ru Instructions for sampling biological material. After confirming the order, the courier will deliver an envelope to you. The envelope will include a kit with special cotton swabs for self-collection of biomaterial from the oral mucosa, instructions and an application form. Open the package with cotton swabs. Pay attention! You can only hold the plastic handle end of swab. Do not touch the cotton tips, otherwise the sample can get contaminated and messed up. Rub the cotton tip of the sterile swab on the inside of the cheek at least 10 times. Seal the used swab with the DNA sample. Repeat this process with the second swab. Fill out the application form and consent form you find inside the kit. Enclose completed forms and swabs with biomaterial in the envelope. As soon as you are ready, call the number indicated. The courier will pick up the envelope and deliver it to the laboratory. DNA analysis anywhere in the world. analysenadom.ru